Can you see that, everybody? They told me this was a limited edition. What a sucker I am. Oh boy. Did I fall for that one, hook, line, and sinker. So I ended up buying this ball, what was it, about a month or so ago? The new Belmo Identity Ball, because they touted it as a limited edition. And when I went to go buy it, it was sold out everywhere. I went to another website and they had a whole bunch left, so I picked one up. Not only one, but I picked up two, thinking, oh, yeah, cool, it's gonna be a limited edition. They're not gonna make any more, and they'll be a collector's item. People will want them. Well, guess what they released yesterday? Yeah, a new one. A new limited edition Belmo ball, just different colors. So I don't know what to think about that. I think what I'm gonna do is not buy any more limited edition balls. Let me know if you guys got the original Identity, if you held on to it or you drilled it up, or if you missed out on this one and now you're gonna buy the new one that came out. I'm not gonna lie, the new one has some pretty cool colors, but they're trying to tell us in the video that was released yesterday that it's a different lane reaction. Come on, really? Storm in their marketing, I tell you. I'm not falling for it anymore. So how many of you think there's gonna be a third one? I truly think they're going to make a third one probably in another couple months with more different colors. They're going to tell us, oh, it's a different lane reaction. Anyway, no more limited editions for me anymore. I learned my lesson. Costly little lesson too. So I'll probably end up drilling this up. Not even saving it, just drilling it up. Maybe I'll sell the other one. I don't know. So let me know down in the comments, guys, if you ended up getting one of these or if you're going to get the new one if you missed out on this one. But yeah, Storm's a little shady with this kind of limited edition crap. Not buying it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Throw a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and definitely leave a comment down below. See you in the next video, guys.